Do you know what is the oddest thing of this morning, ladies and gentlemen? It's that I haven't started a vlog yet. Never is a long time. I haven't started a vlog just yet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in here we have just a little bit of light now. Look at that. I put one of those little press lights in here. It's wonderful. That's where we keep our codes and stuff. But my plan is that I want to take that off. That shelf has to go, and really I want to build drying racks for clothes in here.
Come with me! Get to the chopper! Come on! There you go! I need your clothes! And motorcycle! Ah! Jesus!
Alright, again with the terrible angle. It's because I have that string that's attaching the camera to my shoulder. The camera to my shoulder so I can cycle with it. That's why the terrible angle is like this, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so I'm going back on set. It's about 10 minutes, 5 minutes till the little light. It's all fine. I had to do my laundry, otherwise no clothes. But yeah, today we're going to be doing 2 different sets. One still in the school, and then we're going to a restaurant in the evening, and all night in the evening. It's gonna be a long ass day. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go!
Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Yeah, everyone be careful of the wire on the floor here, guys. Yes, she is.
Oh, never mind. I'm Bailey said coffee, so I'm following Bailey. Forget about anything else. There we go. Yes. Yes.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes. Everybody's here. Shh. Get ready for a take. Get ready for a take.
Okay. Did you get the behind the scenes? Yeah.
See?
Quiet on set, please!
Told you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It took fucking a while, dude. I could have stabbed you, killed you, mugged you. You're not that interesting.
Oh.
I think I'm being followed. I've been chased by a sound man. Oh no! Oh no! The sound man's chasing me. Be aware of the sound man.
We're everywhere.
But nowhere. But are you really? They're just a concept. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so first half of the day, it's all done. By the way, it's sunset and it's just lovely. Like, have a look. It's sunset, and that right there, it's the ocean. It's just fabulous. Alright, so first half of the day is over because we need to change locations now. We're going to a restaurant. We're going to be shooting a night scene. So we just loaded all the cars with all the kit, and because everything is local, I am on my bike. I don't really need a car for this job. So I loaded the cars, and I'm gonna take a little cycle alongside the beach to the next location. Like, how freaking awesome is that? We're making the movies and we managed to cycle next to the ocean. It's great. It's just great. Isn't it? It's just great. I find it really, really great. Let's see who else is here. So who else is here? Look at that! What's going on?
Really, is this the vlog?
Ladies and gentlemen, I am so glad everybody's asking about the vlog. The vlog is a thing now. I think the vlog for last week is gonna skyrocket to the 40 views a day.
Viral.
I know. Viral, I know. It's amazing. I write a blog post. I'm done. I'll make a website. I quit my job.
Your acceptance speech. When's that happening?
When you get me on the streamies. I need to be nominated for streamies.
Yeah.
What you laughing at?
We'll make that happen.
Sing on
Your face. I love how Ruby's smile stayed on.
She didn't know.
I can't remember your name.
Okay, wait, it was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Okay, have fun. Next time.
See ya.
Ziggy. Very important to remember.
I'm glad to report that the day is over. I shall see you tomorrow. Have a good night.